Want to know where you can loop, dip, and glide through mountains on multiple 360-degree loops at speeds up to 27 miles per hour? We'll get there, but first let me introduce myself. I'm Christy Evers, owner of Happily Evers After Vacations, your retreat, vacation, and conference specialist. And if you love to learn about travel destinations, get travel tips, deals, and reviews, then this channel is for you. Click that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I post more amazing content just like this. In 2020, North Carolina welcomed the first alpine coaster located at the base of Sugar Mountain, which is about 20 minutes from Grandfather Mountain, and is about 35 minutes from Mystery Hill in Blowing Rock, North Carolina, which is another super cool and fun place to visit in the North Carolina mountains. But I'm going to save those details for Mystery Hill in a separate video that's going to be posted really soon. The Wilderness Run Alpine Coaster is a cross between a roller coaster and a toboggan sled. The two-person carts are perfect for an adult and child. To ride single, you need to be at least 16 and 58 inches tall. But don't worry, you don't need experience to ride. Each self-steering cart has handbrakes so that you can go as fast or as slow as you like. They're open every day from 10 a.m. until dark, rain, shine, or snow. Tickets are purchased in the gift shop when you arrive. They have single ride or multiple ride packages available. A single ride is approximately 7 minutes. I personally booked the 3-ride package and thought it was totally worth it. Just a heads up, try closing your eyes for the entire ride on the final pass. It's a rush. The only bad thing about Wilderness Run is the crowds and reduced capacity due to current COVID restrictions. Either way, even when COVID becomes a thing of the past, it's still wise to reserve your ride online and in advance. If you show up without a reservation, you're very well going to be out of luck. If you're in a pinch and need last-minute seats, weekdays will be your best bet. Weekends always fill up the fastest. If you're wondering if this is a COVID-safe activity, there's room to spread out at the observation deck, gift shop, and clubhouse. Wilderness Run complies with social distancing, masks, and sanitizing standards. As a matter of fact, every single sled is sanitized after every single rider. Each sled is cleaned with a chemical that is proven to kill COVID-19 and still doesn't compromise or harm any part of the sled. Does this look like an activity that you would enjoy? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining in, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to share this video on social media or with anyone that you think would enjoy learning more about the Wilderness Run Alpine Coaster. You only get one life, so make it a grand adventure. Thanks for joining in. Bye-bye.